So guys, this is how you download Roblox Studio in your Android. If you want Roblox Studio, just like and subscribe the button. And let's get right into it. Okay, bro. Let's go. First step, you need to go to the more dot here. So go here and you see create, press create. So this is on Android only. Hope you want me making iOS. So hit the like button and subscribe button, bro. Sorry, it's been a long time I haven't posted some videos cause I was watching the dishes. See, I already made a game. Troll up. This is only in my account. And I don't know what to do. Okay, go here and press all tools here. And you go here, press IPI keys. Once it loads, create an IPI key. Name your IPK anything you want. This is a test one, so I'm gonna name it test. This is just dot. So stop and so universe places universal places that's that. And I think we're gonna boom and press up you want anything, just this is gonna be this. I want it. So oh okay, bro. I don't want that. No expire. Just press no expire yet, cause you did that. And save and generate key. Oops, we got an error. Okay, bro. Sorry, I'm just spam this. So what happened? And I think this will work. Please, no! Sorry. I'm just a bad... Wait. Operation right? Okay. Okay. Sorry. I didn't mean to say that. But sorry, that is nothing. That is not my address. I move out. Editor blur that out. Cause I might get hacked. Okay, bro. Wait, no. Experience troll obby. Yes. No way. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. If you want this, hello. What the hell is that? Let's put this in. And can I please do it? Sorry, I keep getting errors. That is not my home, bro. 0/0 0 0. Can I please? um 0.0.0. How many zeros is that? And last zero. Add. Please. 0.0.0.0.0. Add, please. Okay. If you do that, you can. Sorry, my network is so suck. Suck, bro. This is at least a new upper. Just sorry, I have to wait a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, at least that will work. I'm sorry. Let me try that again. No, this is it. Sorry, we already have API keys. Yeah. Just follow the steps over and over again. I think you will succeed. And I think I'm gonna duplicate. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. This is the sorry, I can't do it. So I'll subscribe, but this is how you make a game now. You all wait, everyone's waiting for. And go here and search Studio Lead and join. Sorry, my internet's bad. So join it, and it's just a recreate of the Roblox Studio. So we're in Studio, bro. This is not Roblox Studio. This is literally Roblox Studio, but mobile friendly. Look, Flash, look, just like Roblox Studio, but simply there. Why did I freaking stutter? Okay, so this is how you. So that's how you make a game in mobile. If this helped out, like and subscribe, and Crazy Games, and I'm out.